wearing plaid dropped his robes and locks to watch the ticker tape parade. And they're all glad. Can you believe that the things they think they love are all the things I know I hate? I don't want you pirates anymore. I don't want these to-dos, what are they for? I don't want you pirates anymore. I don't want the Lord to come again. I don't think the Lord will come again, will come again. To believe in a religion, you gotta pray for the ones you love and pray for all the ones you hate. Like your old boyfriends, your old girlfriends, your old husbands, and your wife's friends, and your family, and countries, and countries, and enemies. I don't want you pirates anymore. I don't want these to-dos, what are they for? I don't